How to show warning before emptying the trust on MacBook Air. Okay, here the trust. So if you right click on the trust and click the empty trust, okay, the warning is not show. Okay, to show the warning, okay, you'll have to do is go to Finder on the upper left side on your screen, go to settings. In settings, on top menu, go to advanced. Here in advanced, you can see here the show warning before emptying the trust. And the show warning before emptying the trust is disabled or unchecked. Okay, to show the warning before emptying the trust, you'll have to do is put a check mark on the box on left side. Okay, that's it. We have successfully show warning before emptying the trust on your MacBook Air. So okay, for example, I delete this one of my file, and after you delete, okay, go to trust on the lower right side on your screen and right click on your mouse and click the empty trust. And as you can see, the pop-up or warning before emptying the trust is show. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the trust? So you can cancel or you can click the empty trust. So if you click the empty trust, all file on your trust is removed or delete permanently. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show warning before emptying the trust on MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.